and birthday wishes. Happy 3rd birthday, Kayla. Enjoy your day.
And you know what I just realized we didn't bring?
Mama Monsi and Papa Jose. Have fun. What?
What do you say, Kayla?
Open the present for me.
No, you open it.
Please.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, you can come over. You
Yes.
can help her. Can
Yes.
Jaden help you?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Mira, I think somebody that's doing something at home.
Grab it.
Si eso no traje
Try this one first.
si eso no trajo batería no va a poder hacer nada anyway.
Oh,
I have batteries.
okay.
I just
Grab
realized
it,
it.
grab it, grab it. Come on,
Never even
Kayla,
crossed
grab
my
it.
mind. I even saw the battery thing
Right here, Kayla.
on the box, but I didn't see if it said that they were included or not.
What, microphone? Yeah, microphone. That's totally I don't have a microphone.
No, it's not a mic, Papi.
What is it?
It's a learning thing with a book. Okay? Look. The Amazing Little Book Explorer.
Can you open it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I open the other one by myself?
It has
Jaden.
to stay in the box.
I'll rip it open myself.
No, it's hers.
You want to open the other one?
Yeah.
Kayla.
Kayla.
I got it. No, I'll keep it. Oh, good.
Come here, Papa.
Dress.
Whoa, I almost fell.
Well, it looks like they really did
Mama, I wanna
anything
do
with
that.
tape and stuff, really.
I do that side. Wow! Oh, I know this. What?
What is it?
What? Totally different.
Isn't that awesome?
What? She got a leapfrog?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
This is my favorite.
You should be happy.
Kayla, let me see.
My leapfrog is broke.
No, it's
It
not.
doesn't work anymore.
Oh my God.
Jaden, you've had it for a gajillion years. What do you say, Kayla? What do you say?
Cheese.
No, I mean... What do you say to Mama and Papa? What do you say to Mama and Papa, Kayla?
Nothing.
No. For your presents, what do you say? What do you say?
What do you say when people give you something?
Take it out of the box.
I can't.
Mira, ¿qué se dice?
Kayla,
I have
Kayla, what do you say? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say that's
Hey,
the
look at me.
best.
Thank you.
Beso.
Mom,
Where's Papa?
Me, Kayla gonna share this.
Maybe
Oh
she
my
can let you.
gosh.
If you are bratty, I doubt it.
Kayla, can we share this? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, because you might be able to teach her some stuff if she doesn't know how to work it.
Yeah, because I don't know how to play this card game. I had it a long time.
Let me see which one.
This one right here. I had it for a long time.
Do you have some other games? Maybe you can play them in here when she's not using it, if she lets you.